In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute yourself on GoToMeeting. Whether you're joining an important business meeting or a casual catch-up with friends, ensuring you're heard is key. Thankfully, unmuting yourself in GoToMeeting is quick and straightforward. Let's dive into the details to make sure you're ready to jump into any conversation with confidence. First, when you join a GoToMeeting session, you'll notice a range of options available on the meeting interface. One of the most crucial elements you'll encounter is the microphone icon. This icon is your gateway to being heard by everyone else in the meeting. When you initially join, you might find your microphone is set to mute by default, a common protocol to prevent any unwanted noise from disturbing the meeting. Here's what you need to do to unmute yourself. Begin by locating the meeting controls, usually found at the bottom or the top of your screen, depending on the version or device you're using. In this control panel, look for the microphone icon. If you see a line struck through it, that means your microphone is currently muted. To unmute yourself, simply click on the microphone icon. This action toggles your microphone status. After clicking, observe the icon closely. As soon as the line through the microphone disappears, it indicates that your microphone is now active and you're unmuted. Your voice is ready to be shared with the group. A helpful tip to keep in mind is to verify your audio settings before joining the call. This simple check ensures your microphone is connected properly and functioning as expected. It also helps to take note of any visual cues within the GoToMeeting interface. These cues are designed to keep you informed of whether you're muted or unmuted during the call, helping to eliminate any confusion. Additionally, for those using keyboard shortcuts, GoToMeeting often supports a shortcut key that allows for quick muting and unmuting. Check the GoToMeeting documentation or settings for these shortcuts to further streamline your experience. Remember, clear communication is about more than just technical settings. It's also about being prepared to share your ideas at the right moment, so keeping an eye on your microphone status is just part of the process. And there you have it. Unmuting on GoToMeeting is as simple as a click. By ensuring your microphone is unmuted when you're ready to speak, you can contribute to the conversation without missing a beat. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your future meetings.